Hey guys, I am Amira, the business lawyer and entrepreneur behind aselfguru.com. And today I'm spotlighting one of my amazing customers, Maureen. She's turned a small investment in my legal templates into over $8,800 in affiliate income. That's more than 10 times the return from our affiliate program. In this video, she's going to be sharing her top 3 secret tips for earning consistent affiliate income and legally protecting your business too. So stick around because this is going to be so good. Maureen, I'm very excited to have you here. You're not just a customer, but you've crushed it as an affiliate and turned legal templates into a serious income stream. I see that on a monthly basis. So let's unpack how you did it. But first, can you tell us what you do and where are you located?
Sure. So thank you so much for having me on. I'm super excited to talk with you. So I am a show it web designer and coach at thecreativeimpact.com. I primarily help health coaches and wellness professionals book more premium clients consistently through strategic web design. And I like to say my story kind of started with a boy, a big problem in a blog. A long time ago, back in 2016, I started out blogging about selective mutism, which my son was diagnosed with. And it was started out as a hobby. It became a thing, and it just turned into this big kind of business for me. And over time, people were asking me, how did I do it? How did I create digital products? And all of the things. And so it turned into that business I have now, the Creative Impact, where I help others build their business, share their stories, and create their own business for themselves. So, and I am also located in South Jersey, kind of about 15 minutes from Philadelphia.
That's so cool. Yeah, no, your business has changed a lot over the years, which is amazing. How did you discover aselfguru.com or what made you invest into my legal templates?
So I discovered you probably back in 2017 when I had my first blog and I was taking a blogging course. And that person recommended your legal templates. And at the time, I didn't even know that I needed to protect my blog in any way. And so I started researching it and I saw that there was free ones and they definitely didn't seem very comprehensive. So I ended up going with the recommendation from the blogger, which was your legal templates. And I believe it was the legal starter pack that I started with.
Awesome. And then over the years, I believe you bought other templates, right? Like which ones and you ended up getting and why?
Yeah, so in addition to the legal bundle that I got, I also got the compliance one, the ADA, American Disabilities
Yeah.
agreement, and that was really helpful because it broke down everything you needed for accessibility. As a web designer, I need to make sure that my client sites are accessible, so that was a really great guideline, not only for my website but helping my clients. And then I also got the membership template, I've gotten the coaching template, and the web design agreement. So they've all been very helpful in my business as I've grown.
Yeah, it's amazing because as you grow, you need different contracts and templates for different reasons. But now let's talk, Maureen, about your affiliate success because you've earned over $8,800 through my program, and it just blows my mind because you didn't even spend anywhere close to that on the templates. It's wild, right?
Yes.
So let's get to the juicy part. What are your top 3 tips for making consistent affiliate income promoting my legal templates?
Sure. So the first one was definitely content. I created the mainstream for this affiliate income that I started really seeing traction with was I created a blog post that also I paired a YouTube video with, which I think really helped. And I think it was called Is Your Blog Legal? And I just really gave value and provided, why you need legal pages, the different types. I did tell them, you could work with a lawyer and spend a ton of money. You could risk it with the free ones. There's a lot of risk there, or you get the best of both worlds with a template that's affordable and is written by a lawyer. So I really broke it down in a blog post, put my affiliate links in there, and then also paired it with a YouTube video, which still ranks very well. So that was number one, content, I would say, creating authentic content, helpful content, then weaving in your affiliate link through there. That was number one. The second way that I've really made a lot of affiliate income, it does, my profession, what I'm doing does lend itself to it, but I am a web designer. So I have with my paid custom clients, they come in and we do an onboarding packet. And one of the questions I always have for them is, do you have legal pages for your site? And I'd say 95% of the time they don't even know that they need them. So I can educate them, and I give them the options, but I always say this is what I use personally myself, this is what I recommend, and I say 9 out of 10 choose it because it's such a great like bundle. And then I also have website template students for those that want to DIY it. And within my course, I have a whole legal module that goes through why you need legal pages and basically just educates them. And then I also put my affiliate links there as well.
What's amazing is that, and what I'm hearing is that you don't just use one strategy. You have multiple different ways where you're sharing the affiliate link. And it doesn't just mean in my templates, just this pertains to any affiliate product that you're promoting, as long as you, of course, you believe in it and it has helped you. In this case, of course, you're a customer, so it's easy for you to promote the templates. But that's kind of what it is, right? Like promoting in different ways, whether it's through your product or your service, or of course, your content creation, video, blog post, all of that, right?
Yeah, yeah. And I'm always trying out new things. Like recently, I did create a freebie on the same information that I had in my blog. I just put it into a PDF and I emailed it out to my list. And so it was just a different way to package the information, but still being helpful to them. So a freebie was another great way to promote your affiliate income.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I saw that.
Yeah.
What advice would you give to someone who's totally new to affiliate marketing and wondering if this could actually work for them?
I would say definitely create quality content. Make sure that you are actually purchasing the product so you can see how it works and get the ins and outs because people will have questions. I often get questions like, well, how does this work once I get it? So it's really important to be educated on it yourself. And then I would say really speak to the benefits of why, like what's the transformation? Why will these be helpful in your business? And then just promote it everywhere. Promote it on your blog, promote it on social media. Like you can repurpose things everywhere and just get it out in as many ways as you can. That would be my, I guess, my best advice.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I love that. And I think the only other thing I would add is to also touch upon the pain point, like why you're
Mm,
recommending and the problem that the product is solving, right? And I'm sure you do that already in your content strategy.
absolutely.
Anything else in the end? Would you recommend? I see that you already do recommend the templates, but is there anything else that people that are watching who are either looking to buy the templates or looking to make money from affiliate income using my templates, anything else that you would like to share with them?
I 100% think these templates are worth it. I worth every single penny. And then becoming an affiliate, you're actually getting paid to have bought the products. They have been so helpful and give me peace of mind. And I know they would give other people peace of mind in their business. I tell that to all my clients and students. It's like, listen, you could get them for free, but you're probably not covered. A lot of them are so skimpy, and yours covers everything. And you do the updates. You've given me a few updates at times. So I just feel really secure knowing that my site is legal and I feel very confident recommending it to other people. So I think that would be like my biggest takeaway from that.
Awesome. No, I love that. Thank you so much, Maureen. You have been amazing. So if you guys are watching and you also want to legally protect your online business, but also recover that investment back like Maureen did, in fact, 10 times, then go check out the links in the description of the video. And whether you're a new entrepreneur or you're already using my legal templates, this is your chance to turn that investment into impact and income. And I would love to help you too.